Hello, in front of me I've got Opel Grandland. In this video I'll show you how to use easy access. Thanks to easy access, you can approach the car, unlock it and start it without taking key from your bag. Firstly, take a look at the driver doors. Right here we've got these two lines. Hold the handle and the doors will automatically unlock. To lock it, swipe through this panel. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.